Hi everyone, welcome into Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about custom commands in Cypress. Custom command help you reuse code, keep your test clean, and make your test cases easier to maintain. So let's begin. Open custom command folder inside the support and then click on custom commands. Here we will enter the command. First define here reference types is equal to Cypress. Now here we will enter custom command for login page. Cypress dot commands dot add and then enter the command name, suppose login, and then we need to enter two parameters. One is username, and the second is password. Callback function here. Inside we will write the command. First we need to navigate to the URL. So here we will enter sci.visit, comma, and slash here. Now, next thing we need to do here, we need to locate the element for username and password. So here we will use sci.get and then locator. For username, we need to type some data in username. So here we will use username and then we need to enter password into password field. So here we will use sci.get.type password. After enter the username password, we need to click on the login button. Sci, here we will enter after password sci.get and then click on login button. Now enter the locator here, right click, inspect username, and here ID is available, which is user dash name. Enter here hash username and then get the element for password. Here ID is password. Enter here password and then click on login button. Select login dash button. Here we need to enter hash. If you want to locate the element by ID, so you need to enter hash. Hash here same as well. Now create a new test file. We'll create a new test file inside E2E folder. Right click, new file, and then enter the file name login test.sci.js. Here we will call the command name, which is login. Save this file login.sci.js. Define here reference type. Reference types is equal to Cypress and then enter the suite name, describe login test example, and then callback function. Callback function inside we will write the test case for login page. It should be login with valid credentials. and then callback function here. Now we just need to call the function. Here we define the locator. We will use this command name, which is login sci dot login. Enter the username and then enter the password. Let's copy the username and password. Username is standard underscore user. Enter username and then enter the password here. Save this file. Now we need to enter the base URL here in cypress.config.js base URL. The base URL is source demo. The base URL here. Save configuration file. We just enter here command and then all the command name, which is login site.login, and then enter the username and password. Let's run the test. npx cypress open. This is the command for opening the Cypress. Now Cypress is opening. Make sure save the file. Save all file before running the test. Here we define the command and open cypress.config. Base URL, we need to just define here base URL and remove comma from here. Now we can run the test. For running the test, enter the command npx cypress open and enter. Now Cypress is opening. Click on configured and then click on start E2E testing in Chrome. Maximize the window. Now select the test file login test.site.gist. In this scenario, first it will navigate to the URL, enter username, password, and then click on login. As you can view, login successfully. If you are get an error, make sure file in here e2e.js import command. I hope this helps you write cleaner and more reusable test. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more Cypress tutorial. See you in the next video.